Hi guys, welcome to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain problem C physical education lesson of Codeforces round 9 to 4 division. So we will first understand this question by the example given in the input. We are given two number n and x. N is the VASI position in the line and x is the number VASI received during the set. So for this input we can see the k can have the values from 2 to 2, 3, 5 and 6. For 2 the value is like 1 2 1 2 1 2. It is like something like this, and at the end it is here it is 2. And for this it is like 1 2 3 and then 3 2 1 1 2 3 2 1 and then 2. And for 5 it is like 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1 and then 2. And for 6 it is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 2. So in this question we will be given this value 10 here, the first value 10 and the last value this one. So we will denote this value by m and the other value by n. So in this whole question we have to just find the number of k for which there is some pattern like this, and at the end we will get this value n, and here the k is just the height of this one. So we will so there will be two types of this pattern. One is something like this, in which the n is at the end, and the other one in which n is at the beginning, in the first phase and in the second phase. Here k is the height. For example, in this case k is 2 and then 3 5 and 6. So we have to just find the number of different values of k for which this satisfy. So we can find this by mathematically. We can observe that here this part is from 1 to k and this is from k to 2. So the whole is 2k minus 1. So for one triangle it is 2k minus 1, for other it is 2k minus 2 like this. And then for example, if we have total x, something x triangle, it will be x into 2k minus 1. And sorry, for this one, if it is x, then it will be x into 2k minus 1 plus this value 2. In this case it is 2 for but we have to find for n, so it will be n, and the addition of all should be m. And the other case is like this one. We have total x into 2k minus 1, then we have to subtract this one, and this is 2n minus 2, because it is 2, because in every case we will get the triangle and at 2. See, in every case it ends at 2. That's why we are taking this value as 2, and then we have to just equate it's equal to. If we see, we have two equation and we have to equate this value is equal to m. If we simplify this whole one, it is m minus 2 divided by 2 should be equal to x into k minus 1. So in the first case, for 10 comma 2 we will get value 4. M minus n divided by 2 is equal to 4. So the value of x and k minus 1 can be 1 into 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4 and 4 comma 1. So here k can have values, k minus 2 can have values 1 2 or 4. I mean 2 3 or 5. So it can have total 3 different values. Here it can have 3 different values, and to find this value we will use a method. And in this case, see, if we equate, it will be m plus n minus 2 divided by 2. And if we take the example 10 comma 2, it will be equal to 5, and for 5 it is 1 comma 5 or 5 comma 1. So k can have values 1 or 5. K minus 1 can have value 1 or 5, or I mean 2 or 6. So now what we will do, we can see that some values of 2 are common in both. So we will use a set and we will store all these value into the set. For first we will store 2, 3, 5, and then 2 comma 2 and 6. So we will have total 4 values of k. So and the size of set is our answer, final answer. So now we will understand our code. So in this code we first take input a and b and then set st. Here we are checking for this, we are checking n is equal to a minus 2 divided by 2 for this case, and we are just using a simple code for finding factor of a number, and I have copied this from GFG. And here one extra thing we have to add, we have to just check if this is even or not, and a minus 2 should be greater than 0. For this also we have to check if it is even or and this one is greater than 0, and at the end we will just print out its size. Sorry. At the end we don't have to just print out its size, we have to also check if k should be greater than this n minus 1. Sorry. Yes. So at the end we have for all the values of this set, all the values stored in this set, we have to check the values which are greater than n minus 1. This is because we can't have something like this, and then we are having value here for example 500 and the height are just 100. So it is not correct. So it should be always like, if height is something k, then the number should be either k or less than k. So we have to check for all k less than greater than n minus 1. Okay, so thank you.